Warning: this video does not encourage vaping for minors or for anyone who hasn't vaped or smoked cigarettes before. This is just to inform those who are already in the habit of vaping or individuals who want to break free from smoking. This is simply a review of a gadget handed over to us by Kardinal Stick Philippines. Good day to you all, and this is Tito Joes making a review of the just recently announced Curve vaping device from Kardinal Stick. Kardinal Stick is a company dedicated to making high-end and I would say deluxe ways of getting rid of the bad habit of smoking. I would admit I was excited when I received the VIP kit straight from Kardinal Stick Philippines themselves. And all I can say about the packaging is that it's simplistic, it's slick, and stylish enough to not be too loud for the eyes. The laminated box adds to that premium feel of the product right out of the box. Talk about judging the contents by its cover. After taking the plastic film out, opening the box itself will reveal you a pamphlet encouraging you to start your journey to quit smoking. The pamphlet also encourages you to share your journey on social media with the hashtag #QuitSmoking, but I'm not sure if our shy friends would be outright giddy to show on their feed they had the bad habit anyway. Inside the box are well-placed items, starting with the star in the center, the actual vape device itself. I would say upon picking it up, it has a nice weight to it, adding to that luxe feel of the entire experience. It has got this bluish green they call the Pacific blue color metallic finish on it, which is a plus for me since I'm pretty bored with black colored gadgets anyway. The KS Kurve itself has an aluminum body, and Kardinal Stick Philippines tells me these are made with aviation grade aluminum, therefore should withstand long-term usage. They even compare this one to the anodized aluminum alloy surface treatment on newer iPhones. The two boxes on the side contain pods that you would attach to the vape device itself, thus making easy and slick refills in the process. Opening the box, you would see huge blister packs containing the individual pods, and each pods sport a different flavor for you to try out. Opening one of the blister packs show you pods with rubberized caps on both the top and the underside of the pod. These rubberized caps should be removed first if you are new to these things. And that was a mistake I made trying so hard to get vape out of these pods, unknowingly leaving the caps at the bottom. Putting in the pods is simple and surprisingly satisfying, as the pod's magnetic ends slot nicely into the KS Kurve's top end. This magnetic latching means you won't have to worry much about losing or dropping your pods. With some force, the pods will definitely detach for the KS Kurve, and I think caution must still be exercised in order to not lose pods while you're traveling. Also included in the packaging is the lanyard, or what they call the Cardinal strap. Not only does this tough-looking strap functions as a lanyard to allow easy carrying of the Curve, when popped up, it also serves as your charging cable for the Curve itself, with its USB-A and USB-C ports. To charge, simply insert the USB-C side of the cable and plug the USB-A side to a computer or your cell phone charger if you happen to have one. The LED light indicator in the KS Kurve will light up steadily once it finishes charging. According to Kardinal Stick Philippines, the KS Kurve has super fast charging, but for normal USB outlets, you might need to have 40 to 60 minutes of charging. According to the website, the KS Kurve's battery lasts more than 24 hours on full charge. Upon trying the KS Kurve, I have to say, it was such a pleasant experience. You see, I'm currently smoking cigs, and this clean yet intense feel of the vape surely is a welcome experience for me. I also used vape before, and by before it's like 2012 or 2013, and the experience was just horrendous. The vape device itself are expensive at that time, battery times are really bad, and the wick and coil nature of it leads to burned wicks and a punch in the left lung. I did have some prickly coughing experience with my first puffs, but then again, for a smoker like me, there really is nothing alien about it. Included in the VIP kit are classic tobacco, mint, grape, taro, pineapple, lemonade, blueberry, watermelon, cola, and lychee flavored pods. I can't pick a favorite flavor yet, but watch out for my full week usage review coming right up next week. One thing I actually find cool about the KS Kurve is that zoomer generation touch in it, from which it vibrates and indicates to you that you have been puffing more than 12 times already within 5 minutes, which is like having that smartwatch app that nags you incessantly about the bad choices you do in life every day. This one though is subtle, and it doesn't mean it would forcibly stop you from puffing, just giving you a guilt trip if you get my drift. Which brings us to this part, the pricing. Kardinal Stick Philippines hasn't disclosed yet their pricing for the KS Kurve standalone device or even the pods themselves. But I have to say, I think I like the KS Kurve. Its slick, pen-like, and discreet design is really appealing. Not to mention the lanyard that I could just use every time I'm losing charge. I can't say much yet about the pods themselves, like how long they last, but their nicotine levels and satisfying vapor that comes out from them is a really good start. And I would like to thank Nicole and Michael of Kardinal Stick Philippines for letting me experience this small gadget, and hopefully it's a great start for me to end my smoking habits. If you want to learn more about Kardinal Stick, you can just go to their Facebook page at facebook.com/cardinalstick.ph. Again, that's facebook.com/cardinalstick.ph. Again, this has been Tito Jobs, and for your source of all-out energy for gaming, pop culture, and nostalgia, keep it here at Tito Jobs. Thank you everyone for watching the video.